Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunshine Foodies. This is Santosh. Thank you for coming back. Today we are going to discuss about a new dish, kadai chicken. Let's see how this kadai chicken can be made at home with the simplest possible, right? So let's go and cook and then we will talk about the dish. Let's watch. Let's start cooking with the kadai masala first. So take the pan or kadai and heat it up and add the coriander seeds and some cumin seeds, few dried red chilies, about 3 to 4, and little peppercorn, which is black pepper, the whole black pepper, and some fennel seeds. Mix these ingredients nicely until all these spices get nicely roasted. Once the spices are roasted, you can transfer them to a mixer grinder and grind them nicely until you get a fine kadai masala powder. Let's keep this masala powder separately and we'll start cooking the rest of it. Let's now take the same pan once again, heat it up, add little vegetable oil, and you're going to add the bell pepper or capsicum. Then the onions. Both onion and bell pepper must be cut into cubes like what you see on the screen. So this is what it gives the nice texture to the kadai chicken. Let's saute this nicely until you get this crunchy texture. You should do this in a high flame about 10 to 15 seconds and you are done. Yes, it is ready now. Let's keep this separate. Take the pan or kadai again and add little oil. Once the oil is heated, you can add the chopped onions. You would have noticed that I am using the same pan again and again because now see, this kadai chicken is a single pan dish, meaning you don't need multiple pans to cook this dish. It's so easy to make. Let's add a teaspoon of salt. This will help to cook the onion faster. Give it a nice stir for this onion and salt, and then you cover the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. It is 3 minutes now. Let's give a nice stir and you will see the onions are in golden color. And that's when you know when the onions are ready for the next ingredients. Let's now add the ginger paste. I'm taking about a teaspoon and half and 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. Give it a nice stir again until this ginger garlic paste mixes well with the onions. Let's cover the lid now and cook it for another 2 minutes on medium flame. It is 2 minutes. Let's give another stir and you will see this nicely mixed and roasted. Now we can add the tomato puree. I have used about 3 tomatoes to take this puree. Give another stir nicely and cook again for another 2 minutes by covering the lid with medium flame. Now the tomato puree has been cooked well with onion and ginger garlic paste. Now we shall add the kadai masala which was kept ready earlier. You can also add a pinch of turmeric powder if required. And of course, you should mix it again well with this masalas and all other previous mixtures. Make sure it is nicely mixed and again let's cook it for another a minute time. Yes, now the whole mixture is ready and this is the time to add the chicken. I have taken a kg of chicken which has bones. I prefer kadai chicken to be with bone, not boneless. Of course, you can always use boneless as you decide. Give it a nice stir again until all these masalas get coated with the chicken. And you cook this for another 5 minutes by keeping the lid covered and on a medium flame. It is 5 minutes now and you can see the chicken is almost getting cooked. I'm already started getting the aroma of kadai chicken. Now you can decide the consistency that you're looking for your kadai chicken. I'm going to add little amount of water to add the sauce to the kadai chicken. prefer to add hot water so that the masalas and the chicken remains hot. The sauce started boiling again, and let's now add the sauteed vegetables, onions and bell peppers. Mix these vegetables again with the chicken and the masalas. You can add some chopped coriander leaves and keep stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes time. You can now check your salt and add more if you wanted. We have already added the good amount of salt while cooking the onion itself as the first stage, and check salt properly and add it to taste. The kadai chicken is getting ready, and you know what? The sauce is too less to the curry. Let me add little more hot water and boil it again. And now the last ingredient, yogurt. Let's add a small bowl of thick yogurt and give it another mix and wait for another 2 minutes on high flame until you get a hard boil. Wow, the kadai chicken is now ready. Look at the curry. This is what the texture which I was expecting. This is perfect. It can go directly to the plate with chapati or paratha or any other rice items. Let's transfer the curry to a serving bowl and garnish it with the chopped coriander leaves. How did you find the kadai chicken? Did you enjoy? I'm sure you would have enjoyed. You can make the same dish as a dry, a semi-gravy or even gravy. Depends on however you would like to. You can make your dish. Make kadai chicken. Eat with hot chapatis or parathas or rice. Enjoy. Do not enjoy yourself. Enjoy with your friends and colleagues and families by sharing these videos, sharing the recipes. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video. See you again with the next videos, next interesting dish. Until then, bye bye. Take care.